A word we'll be learning in this section is sodan, which you will often hear in any situation where decision-making or seeking advice is involved. By understanding how to use this term effectively, you'll feel more confident in your conversations and problem-solving interactions in Japanese. Let's dive in. Sodan. Sodan. Sodan means to consult or talk over and is often used when discussing something with someone to gain their opinion or advice, planning something together, or even resolving a problem by having a discussion. It's quite a versatile word, often related to conversations involving decision-making processes. The first kanji means mutual or each other, and also suggests appearance or a phase of something. It appears in words like aite, where it gives the sense of the other person or partner, and in gaisho, where it helps express the role relating to foreign affairs. The second kanji means talk or discussion, and implies speaking together. You can see it in kaidan, which is a meeting to talk, and in danwa, which means a spoken remark or conversation. I consult with my friend. 私は友達に相談します。私は友達に相談します。I discuss work. 私は仕事の相談をする。私は仕事の相談をする。I consult with my teacher. 私は先生に相談します。私は先生に相談します。I got advice from my teacher. 先生に相談に乗ってもらいました。先生に相談に乗ってもらいました。The most common synonyms of sodan are kyogi and toron. Kyogi focuses more on formal discussions or negotiations, often involving multiple parties. Toron emphasizes debating or arguing over different points of view, which can be more about expressing differing opinions than just seeking advice. The most common antonyms of sodan are dokudan and ichizon. Dokudan refers to making decisions alone without consulting others, highlighting the solitary nature of the decision. Ichizon underscores exercising one's judgment, often independent and personal, without involving others.